The Zamfara State House of Assembly has activated an impeachment process of the Deputy Governor Mahadi Gusau. The Deputy Speaker of the Assembly and Chairman House Committee on Public Accounts, Musa Bawa, started the process as he submitted a document to the Speaker of the Assembly. The lawmaker is accusing the Deputy Governor of breach of the Constitution, abuse of office, and financial fraud.
I'm presenting this document to Right Honorable Speaker Nasiru Mu'azu for the impeachment of Deputy Governor Zamfara State.
After receiving the document, the Speaker of the State Assembly, Nasiru Mu'azu, assured that he will treat the document in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended.
As you are here on my office before me, Deputy Speaker and the Chairman House Committee on Public Account, he was forwarded to me a notice of impeachment of Deputy Governor of Zamfara State, Mahadi Gusau. I receive, and I'm assure you that I will treat it according to the provision of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, for this.
The Speaker is expected to study the document, after which the content will be made public. Deputy Governor Mahadi Gusau had last year refused to defect to the All Progressives Congress APC when the governor led all his cabinet members to the ruling party.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.